people, welcome back to another video. If you're a newcomer to Canada or you're planning to land in Canada soon, this video is specifically made for you. So like the title has said, I'm going to be sharing benefits available for newcomers to Canada. The government of Canada has made some provision available for newcomers just to make your transitioning easy for you as you come into the country. So let's go right into the video. As newcomers to Canada, it can be so tasking trying to settle down into this new country that we've all called home. The government of Canada has a wide variety of benefits for new immigrants to the country. If you're a permanent resident or a settled refugee, if you're a worker as well, there are benefits for you in this. But in the context of this video, I'm making this video for permanent residents that are landing in Canada soon or that's just landed in Canada, or you just don't know where to go to as a permanent resident. I'll be sharing some information with you in this video. As permanent residents in Canada, the first thing you need to go for, the first document you need to get is your, we call it SIN, social insurance number. And with your social insurance number, you can access this benefits, taxes, and credit to as newcomers. So you need to get your social insurance number, and once you get the social insurance number, you can now go in and see if you're eligible for any of these credits or benefits. So the first thing you might be eligible for as PR holders is the Canada Child Benefit. If you have children from age 0 to 18 years, there are a monthly non-taxable benefit that is paid to the primary caregiver. So the primary caregiver is given monthly allowance. The Canada Child Benefit is a tax-free monthly payment that helps families with the cost of raising children younger than 18 years old. So if you have children aged 0 to 18 years, it's something you can access for children in your family that are still under the age of 18 years. And the government of Canada would give each of them the child care benefits. Second benefit I'll be talking about in today's video is GST HST credits. That's the goods and services tax and the harmonized sales tax credit. Because for every goods and services that is being provided or that you buy here in Canada, there is a tax that is added to it, or it's from 5% to 15% depending on your province. Here in Ontario, we have the harmonized tax and it's 13%. If you're a newcomer to Canada and you want to get the GST HST credits, if you have to fill out a form, the form RC151, I hope I got that right, you have to disclose your income from your home country. That's number 2, the GST and the HST benefits. The goods and services tax, the harmonized sales tax, that's GST and HST credits, is a tax-free quarterly payment that helps families and newcomers with low and modest income to offset part of their GST or HST that they pay. It's paid quarterly through the year. The third benefit I'll be mentioning in today's video are provincial benefits. Some of the provincial benefits for newcomers are settlement programs. You have settlement officers that can help you settle down into the community with ease. And another thing is educational assistant benefits. If you need to go in for some more courses, you can have this done at a reduced rate or free by the government if you need to go for further education as a permanent resident in Canada. Here in Ontario, we have the OSAP. OSAP is the Ontario Student Assistance Program, where if you have to go for further learning as a permanent resident, you can be eligible for OSAP. It could be a grant or a loan, whichever one is applicable to you. So check out the Ontario Student Assistance Program website. I'll leave the link to that in the description box of this video. It's either they fund your education or they give you loan to go back to school if it is required. So these are some of the provincial benefits as newcomers to Canada. As you land in Canada, in any province that you land in, the first thing you need to do is search for newcomers programs around you. You would see a whole lot of newcomer services and these services are free at no charge to you. You would access these services. For example, here in the city of Kitchener, we have the settlement program for newcomers. You have employment services program, and we have the community support center. If you are new to Kitchener, Waterloo, just walk into the community support center on King Street and you'll be able to access employment services. Like they could help you prepare your resume, they put you through. And another thing that they do here as well is reduce bus passes, monthly bus passes. If you are new to Canada and you are eligible for this, yes, there's an eligibility that has to be checked, so it's not automatic. So just go into a community support center on King Street. I'll leave the details in the description box of this video, or you go to their website to see the available Newcomers settlement program. There's also region of Waterloo in Uptown Waterloo. They have provisions for newcomers as well. These are settlement programs that makes it easy for you to transition into the community. If you also want to start a business as a permanent resident in Canada, there are different outfits that's been funded by the government to help newcomers that want to start business in Canada. In the province of Ontario, we have the Digital Main Street that can help you with getting your website up and running. In the city of Kitchener and the region of Waterloo, we have help for small businesses. Yeah, I've been one of the beneficiaries of Inner Shoes when I started my small business about 2 years ago. Yeah, it's a 6 weeks program. We have the Waterloo region small business centers, and there is a business advisor that can put you through all the services that they have available for newcomers that wants to do business in Kitchener, Waterloo. And I'm sure this is also available in most provinces in Canada if you want to start a business. And finally, last benefit I will mention in this video is the universal healthcare benefit. As a permanent resident or a Canadian citizen, you're eligible to a universal healthcare insurance. It's a provincial or territorial health insurance for all permanent residents and citizens of Canada. You can apply for this as soon as you land. Here in Ontario, what we have is called the OHIP, is the Ontario Health Insurance Plan for permanent residents, for citizens. And for you to apply for this in Ontario, you need your proof of address and your ID, your certificate of PR. You take this to Service Ontario for you to apply for your OHIP, give you the OHIP card. So Canada has a provincial or territorial health insurance for permanent residents. Then you have to check the OHIP website for you to know services that are covered by the insurance. It's not all health issues that are covered by this insurance. You have to be eligible for you to have access to this credit. So accessing GST, HST, child care, it's not automatic. Eligibility criteria depends on your income. This is why it's mandatory to always update CRA of any changes in family circumstances. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video informative enough. If you have any more questions about settling down, newcomers life in Canada, anything that you want to know about settling down in Canada, just put in the comment section of this video, and in the description box as well. I'll leave all useful links for you to go through. Just read this information that would help you as you settle down in Canada. I wish you all the best. And if you are here to subscribe for everything Canada living, all the good stuff, all the fun stuff, everything in between is what I get to share on this channel. So subscribe for all this and many more. Share this video, do all the good stuff. And to all my oldies, thank you for always rocking with me. You are the best. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now, and see you in the next one. Stay safe out there, everyone.